Ooh.
Well, hello.
Oh, hello.
Come on
Thanks
in.
for $21.39ing me. This is a, what should we call it? Interior cabin?
Deluxe interior
Deluxe
cabin.
interior cabin.
Well,
So
the reason it's deluxe is it's a little bigger and it's got the split
split
bathroom.
bathroom. Okay, well, so we'll start there.
Okay.
Well, you gotta be careful when you're moving around in here.
Yeah, I'm
Some of
gonna.
the clearances are a little tight. There's the things you should know, I guess. Important information. We'll go hear all about that at the muster drill. But you've got obviously some handy dandy life jackets, which we hope we will never have a use for. Some hangers, which we definitely have a use for.
Safe.
A soffit. A ladder for, I guess, reasons.
No, the bunk. There's a bunk in this
okay,
one.
Okay. Oh, the light came on. And the other side of the closet, much like the first side of the closet. Really should be wide angling this, right?
Yes.
Boom, look at that. I am not a professional. All right. Split bathrooms. I can get in the closet and get a better shot of that. Split bathrooms, but not, so correct me if I'm wrong, but not all the interior rooms have a split bathroom, right?
Correct.
So some of them do, some of them don't. We paid extra, a little bit extra for the separate ones, which Disney is famous for, where you can brush your teeth, you can take care of business, you can, generally get ready in here. All these things, including. Hello. Probably should have done that. Hello. Visit Strongwater next time you're in Anaheim. Yeah, and then somebody else can be in here tubbing or showering. Seems to be reasonably sized. It's not too short, says the guy who's only 6 feet tall. And then more getting ready stuff. So, split bathroom, as people like. Ooh, 4 water glasses. And some sort of wine package coupon. Do you have to bring that to dinner? See, we bought the package.
I think so. I think they're just showing, because we just get it at dinner.
Drawers, a seat, more of our pre-buy here. We got some delicious aluminum water. More storage, chair, storage, more like a stool. Oh, okay. Possibly one of my favorite things. That's the door hanger for breakfast, which you hang out, choose your
For
time,
your coffee?
choose your breakfast, hang it outside the night before, and they bring it to you. The best. Even better when you have a balcony, but we're not doing that this time.
Hair dryer,
There's
regular
the real hair dryer.
plus a little mat for your straightening
Hot
or
mat,
curling iron.
Hot mat. There's our little TV.
Yeah, but it's
Services.
loaded with all kinds of goodness.
Yeah. That's where the water goes. Immediately.
Yeah.
And then, flip it around. Couch.
There's
And,
there's
this
the
is
bunk if you
there's
want
the
the
bunk.
bunk.
If you got more people to pull down the bed for.
We got
Yes,
the
yes,
ship
for
art.
couch. Ship art.
We got the 90s ship art.
Okay. And then the cat privacy tent here. If you want to draw the curtain. Map of the. Oh, there's us. No, there's us. No, there's us. Lamps. And the bedding area. Hey, look, another mirror.
And look, more storage.
And more storage.
You know how
Seems
much I like storage.
I feel like there's more storage on here than there is on the Wish, but I could be wrong.
There is.
Okay.
Well, there's drawers. They don't have drawers, really,
Okay.
except for at the desk, I think.
And then there's the rest of the bed. Disney's patented comfort bed and our gift for being silver castaway, because
What do
we've
we
been
get?
on a cruise.
We got more
2
lanyard
lanyard holders,
and
another travel bag,
yeah.
which we made use of this time. And we got Donald Duck here. I think that's some fun art.
Oh, that's totally fun.
He's out there. He's about to get because his chair is about to fold in on himself. And that kind of is it. I mean, we're going to spend more time on the ship than in the room, I think, this time. But in the meantime, we can watch some cool Mickey TV and get ourselves unpacked. Our bags were already here at 1:30, so kudos, Disney.
Yay!
Very efficient today.
Good job.
And that is a deluxe interior room on the Disney Wonder, room 2139. Holy cow. All right. Val's done all the hard work. Now we know how to find our room. And you will too if you ever encounter us.
Still need some batteries.
It'll be the one that's, cleanly organized. Oh, we're even pin trading with a bird. Take one, leave. Oh, see, you wrote it on there.
Yeah.
You wrote the instructions.
That was
on there.
Dan's idea.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Fish extender. Now let's go in through here. All right. One quick thing I wanted to add that I forgot earlier. We've now made as much organized use of this room as we're going to. It will only get worse from here. But I forgot to point out plugs. So For those interested, there are plugs. It looks like since the last time we were on the Wonder, I believe this is newly added.
Yeah.
So there are more US and USB-A plugs added. And I think they also snuck some in over here behind the room service machine, which is where I've got that plugged in there. So just another thing to keep in mind, they have modernized this a little bit in adding, there's a bunch of power over there. So I would say 3 years ago, when we were out 2.5 years ago, it was a little bit more sparse, but now looking pretty good for power, right?
Luggage under the bed.
Ah, and a monster too. All right, time to go get our mustard on.